If you're exploring prescription medications for weight loss or type 2 diabetes, you've likely heard about Ozempic and Saxenda. While both medications can help people lose weight, they are approved for different purposes and work in slightly different ways. So, which one might be the better choice in 2026? In this comparison, we'll look at the pros and cons of Ozempic and Saxenda, how they work, and the key differences you should know before discussing them with your healthcare provider. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Ozempic. Ozempic contains the active ingredient semaglutide and is approved to improve blood sugar control in adults with type 2 diabetes. Many people taking Ozempic also experience significant weight loss, which has made it one of the most widely discussed medications in recent years. One of Ozempic's biggest advantages is convenience. It is injected only once a week, making it easier for many people to stay consistent with treatment. Clinical studies have also shown that semaglutide can produce substantial weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and regular physical activity. However, Ozempic also has some disadvantages. Because it's primarily approved for type 2 diabetes in many countries, access for weight loss alone may depend on local regulations and your healthcare provider's recommendation. Like other GLP-1 medications, it may also cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, or stomach discomfort, especially when treatment begins. Now, let's look at Saxenda. Saxenda contains liraglutide and is specifically approved for chronic weight management in eligible adults and certain adolescents when combined with lifestyle changes. One of Saxenda's biggest strengths is that it was developed specifically for long-term weight management. It has helped many patients lose weight and improve obesity-related health conditions when used alongside healthy eating and regular exercise. The main drawback is that Saxenda requires a daily injection instead of a weekly one. For some people, this daily routine can be less convenient than using Ozempic once a week. In addition, average weight loss results in clinical studies have generally been lower than those reported with semaglutide-based treatments. Both medications belong to the GLP-1 receptor agonist family. They work by helping you feel full longer, slowing stomach emptying, and reducing appetite, making it easier to consume fewer calories over time. Like any prescription medication, neither treatment is suitable for everyone. Your doctor will evaluate your medical history, current health conditions, medications, and treatment goals before recommending the most appropriate option. Cost and insurance coverage can also play a major role. Depending on your country, one medication may be easier to obtain or covered by your insurance, while the other may require paying out of pocket. So, what are the pros and cons? Ozempic offers the convenience of a once-weekly injection and has demonstrated impressive weight loss results, but its primary approval is for type 2 diabetes in many regions. Saxenda is specifically approved for weight management, making it an excellent option for eligible patients focused on obesity treatment. Although the daily injections and generally lower average weight loss results may be drawbacks for some people. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your health, your treatment goals, and the recommendation of your healthcare provider. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing which medication you'd like to learn more about.